tea. Action. Ready. Making tea. Let's go. No time, dog. So, how do you make tea? First, get the tea bag. Not sponsored. This is awkward. Hot water. I'm totally not reading anything. Ow. 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 That seems pretty fine. Oops. My bad. Perfect. Dirty dishes. Jeez. I made this a long time ago. And another one. I'm totally not hungry. So, too much. That's too little. But screw it. Put it in the microwave. Trying to go as fast as I can. I got a time limit here to 0. See, this is how tall people, or how do tall people actually reach these things? Slam! Okay. Now we wait. Okay, I'm leaving. Let's talk to my dog. Hey, Bolo. What are you staring at? What are you staring at? You're confusing. It's a spider! Oh, I can see why he was freaking out. Oh, God. I'm just gonna leave it there. And, yeah. I feel uncomfortable now. Okay. Ow. 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 See why we have gloves for Hot Pocket? Disgusting. How long has that been sitting out? Okay, so hard to put the camera angle. That's a good amount of tea right there. It's a good tea. Well, why did I throw it? Whatever. And then sugar. What time is it? This, no one's gonna be watching this. So, we need this a little bit more texture. Tea bag. Come on. No, I accidentally put the tea. No, ow, burns. Whatever, it's not that bad. I'm not gonna be able to pull it out though. Tea. Yeah. I'm too weak. I need something to stand this. Yes, I'm using tools that I have. Shut up, I don't have a regular set. Does this look right? Well, it's gonna have to do. And if you can't see, screw you. Okay. As you can see, it's already starting to turn, but I wanted it to turn. some of that. I don't like this dance. Let's just do this. Go towards the light and pour in as much sugar as I want, which is, okay, I'm sorry, I'm going too close. Boom. Not that much. And now we not wait because I don't got that time. What time is it? Oh, time to moves really, really fast. Okay. Now a lot of tea. That is fun. Oh, I spilled some sugar. Disgusting. I think it was wet water from dinner. Macaroni. Okay. Sugar's still on the bottom. How can we fix that? Oh my gosh. Perfect. V8. You know what? That will fix your life problems. Kind of. Oh. Who's the people that are not right-handed? I gotta change the camera. Okay, there it is. I still can't open the dang dong. Okay, there. Fine. Good. So, this might spice it up a little. Tea is going to be amazing. It's turning lighter. Let me get a taste. What kind is this? Orange pineapple. I think I messed up. That's actually not that bad. I'm gonna start doing that from now on. Oh. When you first taste it, it's like, all right, that's okay. But now it's just like, what am I tasting? Ooh, I forgot I had whipped cream. Perfect. Well, that was a waste of my time. Let's taste it. That's disgusting. At least I still got my tea bag. I failed. I can't make tea. Well, I gotta make an interesting video. This is not interesting at all. Clean up your stuff, kids. Not interesting. What should I use? Something that I hate the most. So, this is not a video for tea. I forgot to shut the... Stay closed. Thank you. How are you opening? There's nothing in here. You know what? I don't even care if you open again. And now you don't open. I should be going to bed. I'm not doing this. The fresh taste of old popcorn you had from yesterday. Great. I'm gonna have to clean this table. Okay. I really, really, really like these. They're actually pretty good. Yeah, they're the best things ever. Open the top. Okay. The best thing I ever tasted in my life. Yeah, I can just grab. It's chunky. It's chunky. A handful right now and just. Oh, it's dripping. I don't want it over the table. No, it's on the table. Ew. Okay, squeeze it, yeah. And it's so good, I could just eat it all. It's sour. Why did I buy these? No. I just spit these out. No. I'm gonna chew them. We had honey? I just made up a new invention. Go, 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 go. Stale popcorn. Still, I don't know not how to open. Okay, I opened it. So I'm just gonna. Okay, gonna gloop it in honey. Oh gosh, I dropped it. That's drenched. And then you get your mixing on. Whoop-de-doo-doo. I think it's going to spell a word for you. Okay. S. B. It says sub to my channel. Can't really see it, but it says it, I swear. That's not that bad. Oh, this is gonna be my nut snack. Table dippings. Okay. That's pretty much it. I'm bored. Stuck around. Well, I'm done with this video. What time is it? Oh God. This might come out tomorrow. Oh, bye guys. I'm bored. Bye.